Good morning, students. This is Ganesh, social science teacher. Today you are going to know about 7th lesson. The name of the lesson is Forests Tribals. My dear 5th class EVS students, when you see this forest nature, you feel very happy. Forest means a vast land which contain of full of diversity, full of living organisms, which is filled with plenty of trees. We can see forest in our even Telangana, and most of the forest is concentrated in Madhya Pradesh. Now we see here, every forest is a beautiful place on this earth. It is the habitat for different animals and plants. To know more about forest, let us talk to the people who are living in forest. Okay. Now in this lesson, we learn about different type of tribal people who are living in forest. And we will learn about these tribal people living style. How the people they are living in forest compared to our living style. Their living style is very different. They live in forest and they do different type of cultivation. That cultivation is called as zoom cultivation. Now we could see here their different type of life of styles. Now we able to read here the people dancing. Okay, the people dancing in the photo are, that is tribal dance. These tribal people we can see here in Adilabad, in Telangana, and even Mahbub Nagar, even Nagar Karnool districts, and Khammam also we can see here. And most of the Warangal and urban rural people, tribal people, they are living like Banjara people, we could call them. Okay, now focus how the life of tribal peoples. What is the life of now let us focus how the lifestyle of tribal people in Telangana. In this lesson we could see here two tribal girls and their conversation. One is Barjuthai, who came from Adilabad district, and one more is Khumcharu, who came from Nagar Karnool. And one more girl, that girl name they did not give in your textbook, but she is the narrator. Narrator means one who narrates the story. Okay, it is a personal story. The narrator name is not given, so the unknown person is saying this story. She met two girls. Actually these tribal girls, they attended a educational fair which took place in Khammam, that is Kothagudam. In that Kothagudam, all the Telanganian tribal people, they came together and they shown their cultural activities. Suppose we could see here there's some Gusadi dance. See, this is Gusadi dance. Here all these Gusadi dance. So question can come like that. We can frame a question like that. Gusadi tribal dance belongs to dash district, that is Adilabad district. Now we understand, now we are going to conclude here that every tribals, they have their own custom and even culture and even language and even habits, and everything is different from one to another. Okay, now focus here. Two more girls, now I am reading here, two more girls like Barjutai and Khumcharu from Nagar Karnool. They shared their they shared their feelings and their culture to each other. That's all, my dear children. Now we go for next slide. Now how they are living, how the goons are living in forests. The goons, they collect forests. These goons, they collect the fruits in forest. They collect honey. They collect tamarind, etc. from the forest and live on them. Some goons are even engaged in agriculture. These goon culture, these goon people, they do different type of agriculture, that is zoom agriculture. Okay, my dear children, zoom agriculture is different from our agriculture system. After the harvest, how we are celebrating that harvest festival. Even though tribal people also, they do harvest festival. They celebrate that harvest festival, and they worship on that day their god. On that day they worship a goddess, name of the goddess, that is Akipin. Now I think you might have wondered that one, Akipin, name of the goddess. So these are the living style in forest. People who are living in forest, they called as tribal people. Okay, my dear children, we go for next slides. Okay, next slide we could see here. Okay, Nagoba fair also is there, like the lifestyles of Nagoba. Nagoba fair, actually it is taking place in, my dear children, Nagoba fair is located in, it is taking place in Adilabad district. And it is an important fair of goons. Nagoba temple located in Kesapur village of Indravelli Mandal, that is Adilabad district. Now next we go for Chenchu people who are living in Nallamala forest. We will learn about Chenchus in this slide only, and after this one we will wind up this. The Chenchu people live in Nallamala forest of Telangana state. They are mainly found in Nagar Karnool district. They speak Chenchu, which is similar to Telugu. Chenchu's food is quite different from our food. They depend mainly on forest for their food. That is why they worship the forest as Adavitalli. They collect different type of fruits like a custard apple, mango, jamun, etc. Different roots and tamarinds they collect from the forest, and they take them as their food. And Chenchus are experts in collecting honey. And even that Chenchus people, they hunt even forest pigs and deers, etc. Okay, my dear children, these are the living styles Chenchus in Nagar Karnool districts. Okay, my dear children, and even the food items collected from the forest also we have seen. And children, in our country the total population of Bonda tribes only 12,000 it seems. Oh my god, total 121 crores of population. In that 121 crores of population, the total population of India is, what is the total population of India? 121 crores. 121, I'm going to write here. 121 crores. Okay, see, in that 121 crores. Okay, 121 crores. I erase it. Wait 1 minute. Eraser. Okay, erase all. In that 121 crores, only 12,000 people are living. See how it is very minor, very less population. So that is why we needed to save their lives. Bonda tribes who are living in Visakhapatnam tribal regions. Next video we will focus on Bonda tribes. Okay, my dear children, thank you. Have a good day, all of you.